Okay, this is a demo of Radar. I've been asked to do auto tables on a job. All I have is a job number, and that's it. So I'm gonna do everything that I would do to do auto tables from a thing. This was the job. I already downloaded the data. It is here. Haven't saved it. Haven't done anything. But this is the down. This is the zip of the download file that you would download when you download data. I am recording, correct? I am. So the yeah. Damn it. Okay, so I've got an empty group. Data files go in there. I'm in the directory. Created a group. New. There's a DP subdirectory needs to be in here. The PMDD and DDF go in there. Whoa, god dang it. Okay. Now. Ah. Pharmacy pricing. Okay. I have no idea how big this thing is. It's not that big. There we go. Well, the first time's the longest because it's reading both the P and then it's creating the variable usage file. In this case, we're just going to delete that one because it's not named the right thing. DNS control. Call this diabetes pharmacy pricing. And that's not the right number. The right number is 151676151 676. Yes, that's correct. Okay. There. Now it's already read the P file, but it's still got to recreate the variable usage, so it's still not going to be, immediate. There we go. It's named the right thing. Okay. Now, now, we'll say, are there any of these that need to be done? this stuff. Drop it all. Add whatever those are to the main list. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. Pew. Okay. Okay. Surely we don't want to tab those things, but we want to tab maybe that, maybe that. That's not going to be there. Sure, we'll make one for that. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. I think it's going to be all of these, except not that one. Not that one. All of the things that are insert text are things that don't need to be tabbed. And though this is the top of a loop and this is the thing inside the loop, I'm telling it, I'm just putting the tab in both. It will know that it's only one because it sees that this is inside this. So it's only going to do this once. It's not going to do it twice. I'm just not being careful with how I'm putting the things. But that's okay. We probably don't need this stuff. Images, order, choice, DCM. DCM, start, time, allocation. I'm not going to tab the conjoint. Those are more insertions. These are actual questions. It's an actual question. That is going to be, those are not going to be things, those are things. Let's see. This looks like we're at the end. Yeah. Okay. because I made changes to the or to the variable usage file, it's remaking it this time. Next time I won't have made changes to it and it won't remake it. And these last couple of times it's not been rereading the P file, so it's already measurably faster than the first time it went. I'm sure if we went back we would see that. Okay. Well, just to see, that was 52 seconds. Now without any changes. 53 seconds. Yeah, 53 seconds to 5 seconds. That's the difference. So now we have a tab plan with all the things in it that we said. Everything's going to need a question. Age num. Age. Ooh. Alright, this is S3, S3. S6, 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 S7, do we have a no. Well, shucks. Excuse me. Alright, I have no questionnaire, so I don't know what question number that thing is. What the hell? Come on! You finished? For God's sake. Shut this down. Alright, brand used. Maybe it says in there. S10. For programming purposes. So I guess we don't really need those. For programming, enter brand. Brand use is S11. There we go. Okay, yeah, while we're at it. Oops. Okay. Then primary meter and all meters. Those sound like we probably need them. And those will be S11 also. Actually, we'll call this primary and AI. let's see, meter P, meter A. Alright, S16. S16 is health coverage, and then ranked importance is A1. Okay. A1, ranking, what's this? Hold the category, which refers to me in the first 4 places. It's also going to be A1. Choice DCM. Temporary variables, we don't need that. We do need those. Allocation conjoint table, allocation. We're not going to do that. We'll do that. We'll do reasons use meter qualify. That's B3. This is B3. This is still B3. B3. This must be B4 and B5. Coupon importance and coupon freak. Coupon importance B4. Coupon freak is B5. One in there. Where coupons meter? Okay. Yeah. Alright, all this stuff. Price per strip. That's gonna be B10. That's gonna be B10. B12. C2. C4. Children in the household, num. Oh yeah, that's C10. Oh, that's why those weren't doing, because it's not pulling it out of the loop top. Oh, that's what I need to do. Be a little better about those. We'll call this quota. Let's see. Oops. Come on. Okay. So I don't want those. I don't want those. Or do I? Choice DCM. That must be A2. Choice DCM. No. Yeah, no, there is no. to speak of, and this is going away. That's got an actual question number though. Okay, so that's everything. What are we looking at? 65? Okay, so we'll use these as the starting point of the labels. That's not necessary. Okay, these look pretty good. I'll leave that on there. Oops. In the cases where it is a loop instead of, instead of a regular question, the label is more often in the top rather than on the side, so that this is going to be the more appropriate thing to call it. Some of them, like that one, though, aren't. Let's see. Paste special values. Okay. Not too many loops. Okay. And then we will just give all of these responding. Well, yeah, you can. It's there we are. It was a space, not a blank. Alright, so that's those responding. Now let's see if we have any scales. There's a scale. Extremely likely, not at all. Yeah, both spelled correctly. There's another. Same thing, extremely important, not at all. It's not always a scale when it's time like this. I'm gonna give it one anyway. All time and never. All time, never, one. Just in case. That is it. There we go. Extremely open to, not at all. Extremely open to, not at all. All. One. Okay, so now this is filled out. And we're done with this. It's still only 5 seconds, even though we're now creating more files. Let's see. Yeah, created the auto tabs and the other subs. Shouldn't take an especially long time. This thing isn't very huge. didn't see this. Radar gave me a warning before. Here it is in the build log, but I mean that's just because it was running radar. Category names given to skill field, not master stubs ignored. Coupon importance GV. Coupon importance. Extremely important. Not extremely likely. Extremely important. Okay. Now when radar runs on the second time, that warning shouldn't be there. 168 records is all we're dealing with. Just to be sure. My radar's taking a long time again because the R file is new and now it's reading the R file for the first time. So let it finish and then I want to check to make sure that warning went away. It's also going to recreate the variable usage. Oh, there it goes. No warning. Okay. That's in good shape now. Let's look in tab.bat. And since we're only using auto tables, I'm going to shut off the second one of these things, which is the one that's meant to, which is the one that would usually blank because it's within a thing that's waiting for you to put in the real ones, but in this case we're just going to use auto tabs the way it's already set up. And the output of that would be tabs A, and we're using banner 1, which was created in the build. Auto tabs, tabs, auto subs, tabs. Now we want an MTD out of this. And that's it. Tabs A becomes, let's see, pricing. Okay, and we'll call that, yeah, we'll use that as classic. And tab. And now it runs radar, it takes 5 seconds again. Because it wasn't redoing those long things that it did. And of course nothing changes during a tab run that would change anything for radar, so the before and after picture there are kind of a placeholder for later, so that we recognize that a tab run has been run. Okay, so Tom log, and looks like this worked. Yep, that right there, right before the last radar run, is not an error. It's a thing saying how long it took, so that worked. Now, look in here. Yeah, see, I knew that damn thing was going to be blank. 168 completes. That makes sense. Of course, they're going to be running this on whatever data they want, so it's all cool. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that stupid census thing. I don't know why they put that in the shell. Well, I know why. It's a shame that nobody uses it. Let's see. No, screw it. I'm going to leave it in because I don't want to screw around with the auto tabs. Deliver. Okay. The actual tables are good. We've got an MTD. We'll call this pharmacy pricing auto. We'll go back into here. This is the production folder, but they want the file in here. And we will say files. I have to unlock it. Okay. Files. Actions, upload, browse, (16W) pharmacy pricing. Okay. And we want Tom log and the MTD upload. And then that actions check in. And that should be it. I'll send this one to Arendam and have him, he can look over it if he wants, but really this is just the output of that same thing. But the MTD is already there, and they should be ready to run with it. I guess I need to lock that group back, don't I? There. And then say lock. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And that's it.